Let's hear some cicadas.
Bad beagle.
Hey buddy, what a good boy. Go for a walk? Yendo. Yendo has presents. Mulch, topsoil, cat food. Can you hear them? Hey, bear. Firewood. You know you can hear my steps. Old picnic table. New picnic table that Dave made. We'll go to the woods. There goes one. There's one. They have red eyes. They have orange wings, orange on their wings. They don't eat much. Bluebirds. Bluebirds have 5 eggs right there in their little house. We'll go to the woods. We'll duck in right here next to the composter. Lizard. Where did he go? I don't know where he went. He was a good lizard though. So this is what it sounds like in the woods. I'll stop walking in a second. They're loud today. There's 2 noises. The woo 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 are farther away, and the are closer up in the trees right here. Hi there. Say hey to Ed. Say hey to Ed. Okay, don't. He's not speaking yet. Huh. Here's a great habitat tree. Wonderful hole. I don't know who might be living there. Someone, no doubt. Maybe a woodpecker. Go down this little hill. Over some breakdown. For some reason, there's half of a plastic cow here in the middle of the woods. Who could have put that there, Dave? Who could have done that? A plastic cow. Ha ha ha. Back up the hill. Hi, bear. Spiderweb. We'll go this way. Oh, there it is. I was looking for a particular thing. It was missing, but just because I went too far. Rabbit. Duck. It's like they're very loud right here on the edge. There's people in our garden. I'm gonna go see who they are. Who are they? One is Dave, always good. Then it looks like it's Autumn and Fred. Also always good. Did you see that cicada? Autumn's scared of cicadas. Silly Autumn. There goes one. Hi Autumn, hi Fred.
Hi. I feel like a prey animal.
You are.
Ah!
She feels like a prey animal. There's Dave. Let's go visit the chickens.
Are the chickens eating them?
They will.
Yes. Catch them on the fly.
Hi girls. Hi ladies. See who's in here. Oh yes. That's Pepper. Roadrunner. Judy. And then we call them the golden girls, the two brown ones. They're all in the tractor. Staying shady. Staying all shady. I think they've already looked for eggs. Oh, but he didn't get one. There's just one egg, a green one. So pretty. We'll leave it there to try to get somebody else to lay eggs.
Meg, you want to hear about our dog adventure?
Sure, but let me finish what I'm doing.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. I'm going to show you the vegetable garden. Because we worked on it, so this is the worst part, the weed bed. But here's the tomatoes. Those are 6 tomatoes. And our new cages, I don't know if you can see those. Here's some more tomatoes. Okay. What? And some fabulous lettuce. Look at that lettuce. It's crazy. Some onions. Maybe they'll bulb up. Some pepper plants. Little ones and big ones. Serranos. Jalapenos. A blank bed for okra maybe. Another blank bed for basil. And another blank bed for who knows what. Maybe some more tomatoes. So there you have it. That's what's happening in our world. Cicada land. Actually, maybe we're not quite done. We'll walk you up to the garden. Here's a pretty flower. Honeysuckle. I am. Something is wrong with her.
I've had a permanent grimace on my face. It's a hummingbird right above your head.
Watch out, he'll fly in your face.
Right there. Hey, little one. He sprouted on that tree, that naked branch.
Pretty garden.
You see him, Dave?
See you later.